Hi students, welcome to Max class. Now I am going to teach Unit 8 Ratio and Proportion. What is ratio? A ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division. Example 3 by 2, 3 to 2, 3 is to 2. A ratio can be written in three ways. Ratio used to compare any two quantities. Example, boys and girls, any flower or any colors, etc. Difference between a fraction and a ratio. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division, while a fraction is used to denote equal parts of a whole. A is to B. A and B are called terms of the ratio, and A is called the antecedent, while B is called the consequent. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division, while a fraction is used to denote equal parts of a whole. A is to B. A and B are called terms of the ratio, and A is called the antecedent while B is called the consequent. Alert! A ratio compares quantities of the same kind which must have the same unit of measure. A ratio compares quantities of the same kind which must have the same unit of measure. Second one, a ratio is a comparison of two like quantities. So there is no need to include units in a ratio. A ratio is a comparison of two like quantities. So there is no need to include units in a ratio. Thus, it's wrong to say that the ratio is 3 by 4 centimeter. It is simply 3 by 4 or 3 is to 4. Strain. A basket of fruit contains 9 apples, 7 bananas and 5 oranges. Write each ratio in all three forms. Bananas to apple. How many bananas? 7 bananas. How many apples? 9 apples. The question is bananas to apple. So, number of bananas divided number of apples. 7 by 9. Ratio is 7 is to 9. B's. Bananas and apples to oranges. Number of bananas and apples equal to 7 plus 9 equal to 16. Number of oranges is equal to 5. The ratio of bananas and apples to orange equal to number of bananas and apples divided by number of oranges equal to 16 by 5. The ratio is 16 is to 5. C. Oranges to total number of fruits. Number of oranges equal to 5. Total number of fruits is equal to 9 plus 7 plus 5 equal to 21. The ratio of oranges to total number of fruits equal to number of oranges divided by total number of fruits equal to 5 by 21. The answer, the ratio is 5 is to 21. A bouquet of flowers is made up of 10 roses, 8 daisies and 12 lilies. Write each ratio in all three forms. First one, roses to lilies. Number of roses equal to 10. Number of lilies is equal to 12. The ratio of roses to lilies. Number of roses divided by number of lilies equal to 10 by 12. The ratio is 10 is to 12. Second one, daisies to roses. Number of daisies equal to 8. Number of roses equal to 10. The ratio of daisies to roses. Number of daisies divided by number of roses. 8 by 10. The ratio is 8 is to 10. Third one, lilies to daisies. Number of lilies equal to 12. Number of daisies equal to 8. The ratio of lilies to daisies equal to number of lilies divided by number of daisies. 12 by 8. The ratio of 12 is to 8. Fourth one, roses to all flowers. Number of roses equal to 10. All flowers is equal to 10 plus 8 plus 12 equal to 30. The ratio of roses to all flowers equal to number of roses divided by total number of flowers equal to 10 by 30. The ratio of roses to all flowers 10 is to 30. 1 part of oxygen and 2 parts of hydrogen by volume combined to form water. Solution: 1 part of oxygen equal to 1, 2 parts of hydrogen equal to 2. The ratio of 1 part of oxygen and 2 parts of hydrogen is 1 by 2 or 1 to 2 or 1 is to 2. There are 500 boys, 350 girls and 50 teachers in a school. Find the ratio of A. Boys to girls. Number of boys is equal to 500. Number of girls is equal to 350. The ratio of boys to girls. Number of boys divided by number of girls. 500 by 350. The ratio of 500 is to 350. Girls to total number of students. Number of girls is equal to 350. Total number of students equal to 500 plus 350 equal to 850. The ratio of girls to total number of students equal to number of girls divided by total number of students is equal to 350 divided by 850. The ratio of girls to total number of students is equal to 350 is to 850. Teachers to total number of students. Number of teachers equal to 50. Total number of students is equal to 500 plus 350 equal to 850. The ratio of teachers to total number of students equal to number of teachers divided by total number of students is equal to 50 divided by 850. The ratio of teachers to total number of students is equal to 50 is to 850. Simplest form of a ratio. A sum 200 is to 300. Solution: convert ratio into fraction. 200 is to 300 equal to 200 divided by 300. Cancel to 2 zeros. 2 by 3. The ratio equal to 2 is to 3. B sum 76 is to 57. Convert ratio into fraction. 76 is to 57. Cancel by 19 table. 19 into 4 equal to 76. 19 into 3 equal to 57. 4 by 3. The ratio equal to 4 is to 3. C sum 144 is to 168. Convert ratio into fraction. 144 is to 168 equal to 144 divided by 168. Cancel by 12 table. 12 12s are 144. 12 14s are 168 equal to 12 by 14. Cancel by 2 table. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14 equal to 6 by 7. Ratio equal to 6 is to 7. D sum 10,000 to 1 lakh. 10,000 divided by 1 lakh. Cancel 4 zeros equal to 1 by 10. The ratio is 1 is to 10. E sum 15 minutes to 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 15 by 60. Cancel by 15 table. 15 into 1 equal to 15. 15 4s are 60. equal to 1 by 4. The ratio is 1 is to 4. F. 1 liter to 750 ml. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 by 750. Cancel 10. Equal to 100 by 75. Cancel by 25 table. 25 into 4 equal to 100. 25 into 3 equal to 75. Equal to 4 by 3. The ratio is 4 is to 3. 8 hours to 1 day. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 8 by 24. Cancel by 8 table. 8 into 1 equal to 8. 8 3s are 24. Equal to 1 by 3. The ratio is 1 is to 3. What is the ratio of 8 km to 400 meter? First, change the quantities to same unit. 8 km equal to 8 into 1000 meter equal to 8000 meter. Equal to 8000 divided by 400. Cancel 2 zeros. Equal to 80 by 4. Cancel by 4 table. 4 into 20 equal to 80. 4 into 1 equal to 4. Equal to 20 by 1. The ratio is 20 is to 1. Simplify the ratio 20 is to 5. Write the ratio in fractional form 20 by 5. 20 by 5 cancel by 5 table. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5. Equal to 4 by 1. The ratio is 4 is to 1. Find the ratio of 500 gram to 250 gram. Both the quantities are in same unit, that is gram. Write the ratio in fraction form. 500 divided by 250. 500 divided by 250 cancel by 250 table. 250 into 2 equal to 500. 250 into 1 equal to 250 equal to 2 by 1. The ratio is 2 is to 1. Question. Madhavi and Anbu bought 2 tables rupees 750 and rupees 900 respectively. What is the ratio of the prices of tables bought by Anbu and Madhavi? Solution. Both the quantities are in rupees. The ratio of the price of the table bought by Anbu and Madhavi equal to 900 is to 750. Write the ratio in fractional form. 900 divided by 750. 900 by 750 cancel by 150 table. 150 into 6 equal to 900. 150 into 5 equal to 750. Equal to 655. The ratio is 6 is to 5. Sums. What is the ratio of 40 minutes to 1 hour? Change the quantities to the same units. Hours converted into minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Write the ratio in the fractional form 40 by 60. 40 by 60 cancel by 20 table. 22s are 40, 23s are 60. Equal to 2 by 3. The ratio is 2 is to 3. Are you clear, students? Comparing ratios. Compare the ratios 7 is to 50 and 9 is to 20. Write the ratios in fractional form 7 by 15 and 9 by 20. Cross multiply 7 into 20 equal to 140. 15 into 9 equal to 135. Since 140 greater than 135. So 7 by 50 greater than 9 by 20. The answer is 7 is to 50 greater than 9 is to 20. Which is the greater of the following pairs of ratio? First one 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. Cross multiply 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Since 4 less than 9, so 2 by 3 less than 3 by 2, 2 is to 3 less than 3 is to 2. The greater ratio is 3 is to 2. Second one, 3 is to 5 and 1 is to 2. Write the given ratio as fraction 3 by 5 and 1 by 2. Cross multiply 3 into 2 equal to 6, 5 into 1 equal to 5. 6 greater than 5. So 3 by 5 greater than 1 by 2. 3 is to 5 greater than 1 is to 2. The answer, the greater ratio is 3 is to 5. Third one, 4 is to 7 and 4 squared is to 7 squared. Solution, 4 squared equal to 4 4s are 16, 7 squared equal to 7 7s are 49. 4 squared is to 7 squared equal to 16 is to 49. Write the given ratio as fraction 4 by 7 and 16 by 49. Cross multiply 4 into 49 equal to 196. 16 into 7 equal to 112. Since 196 greater than 112. So 4 by 7 greater than 16 by 49. 4 is to 7 greater than 16 is to 49. The greater ratio is 4 is to 7. Question. My school has 500 boys and 300 girls. My sister's school has 400 boys and 250 girls. Which school has higher ratio of boys to girls? Solution. My school has ratio of boys to girls 500 is to 300 equal to 500 divided by 300. Cancel in 2 zeros. 5 by 3 equal to 5 is to 3. My sister's school has ratio of boys to girls 400 is to 250 equal to 400 divided by 250. Cancel in 1 0 equal to 5 table 8 by 5 equal to 8 is to 5. Next we have to find which school has highest ratio of boys to girls. 5 by 3 and 8 by 5 cross multiply. 5 5s are 25, 3 8s are 24. Since 25 greater than 24, so 5 by 3 greater than 8 by 5. 5 is to 3 greater than 8 is to 5. Answer, my school has higher ratio of boys to girls. Are you clear, students? Dividing given quantities into given ratios. Divide rupees 84 in the ratio 3 is to 4. Solution. First find sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 3 is a antecedent, 4 is a consequent. For first part, take antecedent and divide by sum of the ratio. So 3 by 7 into 84. Cancel 7 and 84. 7 12s are 84. Equal to 3 into 12 equal to 36. Second part, take consequent and divide by sum of the ratio. So 4 by 7 into 84. Cancel 7 and 84. 7 into 12 equal to 84. Equal to 4 into 12 equal to 48. The answer, rupees 84 is divided in the ratio 3 is to 4 is rupees 36 and rupees 48. 2 meter in the ratio 11 is to 14. Solution. 2 meter equal to 2 into 100 centimeter equal to 200 centimeter. First find sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio equal to 11 plus 14 equal to 25. 11 is antecedent, 14 is consequent. For first part, take antecedent and divide by sum of the ratio. So 11 by 25 into 200. Cancel 25 and 200. 25 into 8 equal to 200. Equal to 11 into 8 equal to 88. Second part, take consequent and divide by sum of the ratio. So 14 by 25 equal to 200. Cancel 25 and 200. 25 8s are 200. Equal to 14 into 8 equal to 112. 200 centimeter is divided in the ratio 11 is to 14 is 88 centimeter and 112 centimeter. Divide rupees 4800 among 3 persons in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. Solution: find the sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. First person, take 1 and divide by sum of the ratio. So 1 by 6 into 4800. Cancel 6 and 4800. 6 into 800 equal to 4800. So 1 into 800 equal to 800. Second person, take 2 and divide by sum of the ratio. 2 by 6 into 4800 equal to 2 into 800 equal to 1600. Third person, take 3 and divide by sum of the ratio. 3 by 6 into 4800 equal to 3 into 800 equal to 2400. Answer: rupees 4800 can be divided in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3 is rupees 800, rupees 1600 and rupees 2400. Kumaran has rupees 600 and wants to divide it between Vimala and Yalini in the ratio 2 is to 3. Who will get more and how much? Solution: find the sum of the ratio. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Ratio of Vimala equal to 2. Ratio of Yalini equal to 3. Amount Vimala gets equal to 600 into 2 by 5. 5 and 600 cancel equal to rupees 240. Amount Yalini gets 600 into 3 by 5. 5 and 600 cancel equal to rupees 360. Vimala received rupees 240. Yalini received rupees 360. Answer: Yalini gets rupees 360, which is rupees 120 more than that of Vimala. The ratio of boys to girls in a school is 3 is to 2. If there are 600 boys in a school, find the number of girls. Given ratio of boys to girls is 3 is to 2. Number of boys is equal to 600. To find the number of girls, sum of the ratio equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. First we have to find the total number of students. Let the total number of students be y. The boys ratio is 3 and divide by sum of the ratio. Y into 3 by 5 equal to 600. When 3 by 5 goes to that side, it becomes 5 by 3. Y equal to 600 into 5 by 3. Cancel 3 and 600 equal to 200 into 5 equal to 1000. Total number of students equal to 1000. Number of girls is equal to 1000 minus 600 equal to 400. The answer is number of girls is equal to 400. This class we learn about ratio and comparison of ratio. Thank you, students.